We cut across to breaking news coming in. Principal scientific advisor to Centre has said if we take strong measures, the third wave may not happen in all the places or indeed anywhere at all. It depends much on how effectively the guidance is implemented at the local level, in the states, in districts, and in cities everywhere. So remember, this is the word coming in from the principal scientific advisor to the Centre. This even as the Supreme Court had also raised concerns over the third wave that is possible. Aishwarya Kapoor, editor politics, joining us on the phone line. Aishwarya, very important that this is coming in concerning what we've seen in the second wave, how important it is to be prepared for the third wave, and most importantly, we must take lessons, because as the principal scientific advisor also says it, that if we follow all the precautions, possibly it may not come and we can avoid it. All right, not too sure if Aishwarya is still connected with us, but remember, this is a very important piece of news that is coming in at this point. Principal scientific advisor to the Centre has said that if we take strong measures, the third wave may not happen in all the places or indeed anywhere at all. He's gone on to say that it depends much on how effectively the guidance is implemented at the local level, in the states, in districts, and in cities everywhere. So it is very much possible to rule out a third wave provided all protocol is followed, is what the principal scientific advisor to the Centre has said. I believe Aishwarya is back with us. Aishwarya, what more are you picking up?
Well, at this time, as you just mentioned, that the advisor to the Prime Minister mentioning that we can try and then give it a skip, that is the third wave, but that would happen only if strong measures are taken right now, which we can see that at certain places it's just not there. So we have to completely take on COVID-19 with precautions, with protocol now. Only if we do that, then we can give the third wave a skip. That is a possibility, but for that, we have to be very, very strict in our measures. We have to be very, very strict in the steps that we take. We have to be very, very cautious of every movement. We have to take precautions. We have to stop our markets. We have to maintain social distancing. So all of those places where crowding happens, all of that has to be immediately stopped. Only then we can give the third wave of COVID-19, which is creating a scare across the world. India can give it a skip only and only if measures are taken now.
And Aishwarya, it is so important that we understand this and don that responsibility upon ourselves as individuals, because let's not forget how the Supreme Court also yesterday had mentioned the third wave, telling the Centre that we need to be ready for the third wave, hence create that oxygen stock. So as important as it is, and the Supreme Court also saying let's be ready, here is the principal scientific advisor to the Centre saying that it may not come at all, it may come in parts, it may come in certain cities, but most important, we need to follow all the protocols. I believe we may have lost the telephone line with Aishwarya Kapoor. He'll be back with us in a short while from now. But important we keep our focus on this, because this is a message that every Indian must take at this point, especially after what we've seen in the second wave and how the situation completely got out of control. Because as important as it is that the governments do their bit, also important for the citizens to do their bit.
If we take strong measures, the third wave may not happen in all the places or indeed anywhere at all. It depends much on how effectively the guidance is implemented at the local level, in the states, in districts, and in the cities everywhere. The guidance about precautions, about surveillance, about containment, and about treatment, and about testing. This insidious asymptomatic transmission can be stopped if we follow the guidance. If we take strong measures, the third wave may not happen in all the places or indeed anywhere at all. It depends much on how effectively the guidance is implemented at the local level, in the states, in districts, and in the cities everywhere. The guidance about precautions, about surveillance, about containment, and about treatment, and about testing. This insidious asymptomatic transmission can be stopped if we follow the guidance.